In this video, we're going to add or subtract integers that are negative. So if we have a problem like this that says add minus 15 minus 12 equals question mark. So remember that subtracting a positive is the same as adding a negative. So we could see here this is a positive number, but to make it a little bit easier, we can rewrite the expression by adding a negative number. So it would look like this. It would look like this. Minus 15 plus minus 12 equals question mark. So now, if you think about it, this is going to be a little bit easier to look at and think about. So since both numbers are negative, the trick is add the two positive numbers and then remember that the answer will be negative. So what you do is you take 15 plus 12, both positive, and that equals 27. And just remember that the answer is going to be negative. So minus 15 plus negative 12 equals negative 27. So the answer to this is negative 27. And that's how you do that type of problem. Don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could rewatch the video as well. There's links in the description to other videos that are similar. You could look at those as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.